Hi guys, in this video I will tell you all about e-commerce. If you hear for the first time, my name is Jyoti Shaha. I am a blogger and a content creator from India. If you find this video useful, then please like, share and subscribe my channel, and also click on the bell icon to get exclusive update of my channel. So let's talk about the e-commerce. E-commerce or electronic commerce is the buying and selling goods, products or services over the electronic network, primarily the internet. E-commerce is also known as electronic commerce or internet commerce. Online stores like Amazon, Flipkart, Shopify, Alibaba, OLX, Myntra, eBay are examples of e-commerce websites. We have different types of e-commerce. Number one, business to business or B2B. What is B2B? When a business sells their goods or products to another business, then it's called business to business or B2B. Number two, business to consumer or B2C. What is B2C? When a business sells their goods or services to an individual consumer, then it's called B2C. Number three is C2C or consumer to consumer. What is consumer to consumer? When a consumer sells their goods or products to another consumer, then it's called C2C. And number four is C2B, that's called consumer to business. What is consumer to business? When a consumer sells their own product to an organization or a business, then it's called C2B. But in all types of the e-commerce, B2B and B2C is the most prominent types in the world today. Now we are talking about the benefits of e-commerce. Number one, e-commerce can occur 24 hours in a day, 7 days in a week. Number two, e-commerce improves the brand image of the company. Number three, e-commerce helps to organization to provide better customer service. Number four, e-commerce helps to simplify the business processes and makes them efficient and faster. And number five, e-commerce can reduce the paperwork. And nowadays the important question is, what are the biggest e-commerce companies? If we calculate the revenue, then number one is Amazon. Amazon has $386.06 billion revenue. Number two is JD.com. JD.com has $82.2 billion revenue. And number three is Alibaba. Alibaba has $56.15 billion revenue. If we count the visitors, then in the top of the list is also Amazon. Amazon has 2.73 billion number of visitors monthly. And number two is eBay. eBay.com. eBay.com has 855.52 million visitors monthly.